Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply send USDT from OKX to OKX. It's a simple process, but it only works if you have an account. So if you still don't have an account, you can simply use our link, which is going to be in the description of this video. And by simply registering and verifying your account, you stand a chance to claim 10,000 USDT worth of trading bonuses and welcome gifts as you do so. So now once you've logged into OKX and you're looking to send your USDT, that's your available USDT on your OKX, to another OKX user, it can be done by simply heading over to the assets menu, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click there and you're dropped at the overview where you have an overview of your assets. And you can simply click on this withdraw option here and you get to withdraw any of the available cryptocurrency assets on your device or on your account. So you simply select the USDT, which is here, click on USDT, and once you've selected USDT, you're going to be met with a few options on how to withdraw your token, either through the on-chain that you want to send to an exchange or another wallet, internal, that's between you and another OKX user, or as a fiat, that's where the peer-to-peer trading comes in. But we're looking to send to our OKX user or another OKX user. Click on the internal, which is a free transfer. It doesn't cost any gas fees. And as you can see here, you're easily met with the internal withdrawal menu where you have the phone number, which you can simply change to their email. So if you have their email, you can simply put it in, or you could use their user ID. Most times you can get this user ID directly from your OKX. So you can get the OKX user ID from there or from whoever you're sending it to and simply paste it in this sub account space. Okay guys, and your next step should be taking note of the minimum amount you can send. So by simply entering an amount, let's go with 100 USDT. You can simply click on this 100 USDT and simply click on submit, and then the transaction would be done. You can head over to this icon at the top right corner of the screen to have a look at the transaction. So this is your withdrawal history, and it's shown for the internal transfers. That's for the OKX direct transfers. And now you can simply view all the transactions here, both the pending, both the completed, and both the declined. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can send USDT from OKX to OKX, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.